with Makayo. Now he's trained to roll over upside down eventually and present his tail flute to us. Now not only does this give us a great view of his whole body, but it gives us easy access to the blood vessels, which are located right here on the right underside of his tail. The whales are trained to remain calm and relaxed during the entire procedure, and they collect a blood sample at least once a month. As trainers, we're also always rubbing down and massaging the whales, whether it's on their backs, sides, or even those tail flukes. The whales have very sensitive skin, and this is just another way that we can reward them for remaining calm during important procedures. But it's also a great way for us to build our relationships with the whales. Now, blood samples are just one way we can make sure the whales are staying healthy. Another important diagnostic is weighing the whales. And we weigh the whales by asking them to slide their bodies all the way up and out of the water onto a killer whale size scale that's located in one of our adjacent pools. We're going to demonstrate that